Hello again, Year 10. I'm hoping this little clip will help you do task 2, where you have to label the main islands of Indonesia and find Jakarta and find the distance between Indonesia and Australia. So to label the islands, the main islands here is Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi and Java. 4 is probably enough. I'm just going to use the place locators and click on it, and then I'm going to fill in the name of this island, which is Kalimantan, and save it. And you can change the colors if you want to and add a photo if you like, but I'll leave you to do that extra and leave you then to go on to label the other 4 main islands of Indonesia. Jakarta is the capital city, which is over here on Java, on the north tip of Java, so we can also add a marker here for Java, or Jakarta, sorry. And I'll give it some information. The capital city of Indonesia, and save it. And you can see up here is the labels are coming up in an untitled layer, which you can name as geographical information if you want, or you can just leave it untitled, it's fine. The last task you have to do in this activity is to find the distance between Indonesia and Australia. Now the most southern island of Indonesia is this Java here, this extension of Java, and you click on your ruler, click on the island and then bring it across to the closest part of Australia that you can find, and you can see when you double click that it's about 478. I'll just do that again because that didn't, or 511. You can play around with that, and that's your work for today with this activity. Thank you.